Brothers and sisters, what better way to celebrate the onset of springtime than in a community garden? And here we are at the Gill Tract Farm in the heart of Berkeley. It is a magnificent community garden. We feel very, very praised and elevated and enlightened to be here. They're wonderful people. And as you see, they're getting on with the spring planting. So let's go over to their greenhouse and plant some tomatoes. It's that time. So here they have this wonderful cold frame here, and we're going to be going inside and starting our tomatoes. It's that right time, and tomatoes anywhere in the US of A have to be started indoors. This is the right time, and you're at the you're at the epoch, at the onset of the growing season. And just think of it, in July and August you'll be reaping a magnificent harvest. Think of that. So let's go into the greenhouse right now and start our planting. Well, my dearest, here we are in the greenhouse of our magnificent local community garden, and we're going to start with some tomatoes that go way back in our history. Here is an Amish paste tomato. It is just a magnificent fruit, and we're proud and honored to plant it here. So Amish paste tomato. There we go. And then another going way back is Brandywine. Brandywine. So let's give this a okay. And then also quite historic, Cherokee Purple. Magnificent fruit. An honor and privilege to be planting these. Our heritage in seeds. So much better than anything you can buy in any store. How about a black cherry tomato? Here we go, rose quartz. Just with a name like that alone, we'd have to plant it. And Sasha's Altai, it simply beckons to us. Sasha's Altai. Okay. Here's a tomato called Bloody Butcher. Spoon tomato. These are tiny little tomatoes. We see they're all fitting on. They're a cherry tomato fitting onto a spoon tomatoes. This is from Baker's Creek Seed Company. Wonderful, magnificent people. Then we have a Bosque Blue Bumblebee tomato. Bosque Blue. And now let's conclude our planting with a pepper, part of the same family, of course. So here's a magnificent Sugar Rush pepper. We're going to water the flat, as my great and esteemed colleague of blessed memory, John Kozak, used to say. This is the biggest event in a little seed's life. The watering brings it to life, starts the great germination process. So here we go, my dearest of friends. We've done our spring planting of tomatoes and a pepper. My privilege to share with you. Let's go on and let's give over something to our community garden. Well, dearest brothers and sisters, we're now going to give something back to our community garden. We have some buckets of compost. This is simply gold. It consists of of orange peels, banana peels, avocado rinds, and so forth. And it is our privilege to turn this, through the magic of composting, into rich, black, vital earth. The whole world is going another direction, but we are composting. And let's add another bucket. These banana peels are simply gold. Now let's cover it up. To retain the heat and the moisture. And for those who live in an apartment, this is especially useful and constructive. You could be a vital part of your community garden. Just have a couple of 5-gallon buckets in your kitchen. Fill them up with your kitchen scraps, orange peels, banana peels, avocado rinds, melon rinds, and so forth. It's all gold, and it can be turned into the richest, blackest humus. The people at your community garden will give you a hug and a kiss for it. You're helping them, you're helping us all. And that's it. We've got to get back. We've got to get back to this American soil and this American earth that will sustain all of us. The world is going another direction. It has exhausted its possibilities. Look at the headlines in the newspaper. France rearms. Poland rearms. Germany rearms. All of this is simply spinning their wheels. They've exhausted their possibilities. Think of Louis XVI and Maria Antoinette. Europe is not going anywhere but backwards. But we are going forward in enriching and enlivening this American earth that will sustain us all.